Khan Academy Financial Literacy Theater presents Housing. Ever since early humans rubbed two sticks together and failed to make fire, they've wondered what to do with all of those sticks. The answer, of course, is to build a house with them. But although housing was easier to come by in the Neolithic era, things are much more complicated in the Holocene, our present day. For one thing, our Stone Age forebears don't have to worry about rent, mortgages, or radon mitigation in the basement. It was a simpler time. But on the other hand, no penicillin, recorded music, or cheese. Today we will be following our friend Phillip as he tries to find a place to live. How are you, Phillip?
I'm rocking in the free world, babe.
Now, remind me, Phillip, what is it that you do for a living?
I'm a shoe critic.
I'm sorry?
I review shoes. On the internet, new shoe comes out, I'll do a teardown video, talk about its features, compare price points to different shoes in the same category, analyze its construction.
And what does that pay?
About $36,000 a year.
Okay, so about the average salary for a 22-year-old in 2025.
That's correct.
And you can do that job from home?
Sure, but it's my parents' home, and I want my own place.
Over lunch with his friend Mina, Phillip discussed his options.
So I keep getting these letters from the bank.
Yeah?
And they're like, "Congratulations, Phillip. You're pre-approved for a $150,000 mortgage." So I should get a $150,000 house, right?
I don't know. Should you?
Mina,
You know about the 30% rule.
remind me.
Don't spend more than 30% of your monthly income on housing. You make $36,000 a year, so $3,000 a month, right?
Yeah, and 30% of 3,000 is 900. I have $900 to spend on housing.
So that's your hard limit. You can't spend more than that per month on a place to live.
Okay, but I did the math on this already. I used Khan Academy's interest calculator
Wow, what a useful tool that is.
to work out what the monthly cost would be on a $150K mortgage at a 5.75% interest rate. And on a 30-year mortgage, it's like $875. So I'm in the clear. I'm good.
You're not good. What about all your other housing expenses?
What other housing expenses?
Property tax, homeowners insurance, utilities, HOA fees, maintenance.
I take it those things cost more than $25 a month.
I don't know, Phillip. How much does it cost to replace an exploded toilet?
A what?
Story for another time. But if you overspent on housing, that makes you house poor. You've got a place to live, but if you overspend on your house and its upkeep, you won't have money for, food, transportation, fun.
And if I fall behind on the mortgage payments, or if I have a bad month or some kind of catastrophic plumbing failure.
Just such a bad time. Words cannot describe.
If I fall short, then the house goes into foreclosure and the bank takes it away?
It's more complicated than that, but yeah.
So renting it is for me, huh?
Not necessarily, but I would consider it. As a renter, I'm not stuck forever in a place I can't afford. And while I have to pay some utility fees for my apartment, like gas and electricity, my landlord pays for water, garbage pickup, maintenance, and insurance for the whole building.
It's a trade-off.
Everything is. A homeowner can repaint their whole house. A renter might not even be allowed to hang art on the walls.
But it kind of sounds overall like you're down on homeownership.
No, the upsides sound amazing. It's your own place. You can do whatever you want with it. And the rent is set for at least 5 years. It's just a question of where you specifically can afford a place to live.
Maybe I should live in a cave.
Only one problem with that, bud.
Oh, just the one?
Yes, sir. Cavemen don't wear shoes.
It's a real job, Mina.
This has been Khan Academy Financial Literacy Theater.
Good night, everybody.